20 cigarettes, and I lit me one on that redwood deck on the Montbriand. She was with a friend, left them standing there. There was more than smoke in that summer air. We burned too while she told me about her hometown. She was drinking Tito's, said I better slow down. I was like, hell no, I ain't drinking by myself now. Said she loved my accent, so I kept talking. Reached for the pack on the table by my wallet. We tore off the light the night we had left with 13 cigarettes.